Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. I've had a prezzie from Jackie and Kevin Stevens delivered to Festa Towers. So let's have a lookie-kins. A big thanks to Kevin and Jackie for their generosity again. Massively appreciated. And Jackie said, Kevin said, you'll find this useful. So yeah, so I'll just open up the box and then we'll have a lookie-kins, folks. Oh wow, unbelievable. What? You're having a laugh, ain't you? Look at that, folks. Holy moly. This is the AK Real Colours marker set. Look at that lot. Unbloody-believable, peeps. I am amazed. These are acrylic markers for modelling. They're matte finish, fast dry and waterproof. I don't know what to say there. That is absolutely unbelievable. Just going to open this up, folks, because yeah, I'm genuinely blown away by this. Now I know why he mentioned them in the yeah. See, they're crafty. They lay traps for me. And yeah, I was in the Zoom the other day and Kev was like, yeah, have you seen them new AK markers? I was like, I've seen them, but I've got no idea what they're about or what they're like. So let's have a look, folks. Nice little magnetic case there. And look at that lot. Hey, whoa, what a set. Absolutely stunning, folks. Look at this lot. Hey, absolutely amazing colours. And you've got 2 layers in there, folks. I'll just lay that out. Look at that lot. Hey, that's just unbelievable. Wow. I'm absolutely, genuinely blown away. There's a list of colours. You've got rubber black, off-white, signal red, yellow, orange, blue, brown, buff, deck tan, aluminium, dark aluminium, wood-based, chipping colour, elfenbean ivory, Rail 6003 olive green, hellgrau, dunkelgrau, dunkelgelb, rock brown, i.e. red brown, 2 different shades there. One looks like a very like a whole red, olive drab interior green, US interior yellow green, RLM 66, 76, 79, cockpit grey, Mitsubishi interior green, Midori blue green, Russian cockpit turquoise, gunmetal. That's going to come in really handy actually for when I do the railings on the E-Models diorama I'm doing, the mini art diorama. Flat black and flat white. Acrylic markers for modelling, it says, matte finish, fast dry and waterproof. I am honestly utterly overwhelmed and blown away by that, folks. Have you some of that? There's one of the pens there. This is the Elfenbean Ivory pen. And that's the nib there, as you can see. Nice precise point. And yeah, like I say, give them a good old shake, give them a dab. And yeah, I'm going to have to YouTube and have a looky-loo. It says special formulation for modelling. Can be used on plastic, resin, metal and wooden surfaces. They're resistant to water and heat, can be applied in layers like any other modelling paint. Does not blur, allows for subsequent weathering with any product. Apply on primed surfaces. I am genuinely overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. For a change, Festa's lost for words. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful gift. It is absolutely, yeah, it's blown me away, folks. Look at that lot. I'd like to say you get your 2 tiers there in the box. Use me me fingers there. I'll just get my knife in there actually, just to lift that up because, yeah. But look at that, folks. 2 layers there. Absolutely stunning. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. Absolutely. So you've got 38 in there. And yeah, I'm going to really look forward to using these. I've not tried them yet, but I will do. Yeah, absolutely stunned. I really am. So Kevin and Jackie, yet again, thank you so much for this wonderful thought. It really is a beautiful gesture. I'm absolutely stumped. I really am. So folks, yes, look at them. So look out for some videos on these because, yeah, I'm gonna sit and film myself using them. It's, yeah, I'm just stunned. I'm looking around for something to put one on, but yeah, I'll wait. I'll dedicate these to my next build, and I'll sit and have a go with them because, yeah, real colours, AK markers. Get yourself some of them, folks. Kevin and Jackie, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really am gobsmacked, lost for words for a change. So thank you both for this wonderful gift. Yeah, I know it was my birthday, but yeah, I can blub, I tell you, because I'm blown away with that. So thank you both. Yeah, look at that. Look, folks. Oh, I am going to be so sort of excited to use these. So folks, look out for these on an upcoming video. Pop over and sub to Kevin Jack because, yeah, I thought of dear old Festa. Until next time, folks, stay safe and well. See you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Unbelievable.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,